Have you ever wondered who really controls your online security? In a world where digital breaches are increasingly common, relying on third-party password managers might feel like handing over the keys to your digital kingdom. By creating your own password manager, you gain unmatched control over your sensitive data while building a tool tailored specifically to your needs. At its core, a password manager securely stores and organizes your passwords in an encrypted database. It not only protects your credentials but also simplifies your digital life. By building one yourself, you eliminate concerns over third-party vulnerabilities or potential misuse of your data. Start by understanding the essentials of encryption. Tools like Python and libraries such as cryptography or SQLite are excellent starting points for creating a basic password manager. With Python, you can design a simple command line application that encrypts and stores passwords securely. SQLite serves as a lightweight database solution for organizing your credentials. For a more sophisticated tool, consider implementing features such as a master password for access, multi-factor authentication, and autofill capabilities for ease of use. You can even design an intuitive user interface using frameworks like Tkinter or PyQt, making it accessible even for less tech-savvy users. It's important to note that building a password manager comes with its challenges. Robust encryption algorithms like ICE are crucial, as is protecting the master password from brute force attacks. Regular updates and careful coding practices will ensure your manager remains secure over time. Beyond the technical benefits, this project is an empowering journey into the world of cybersecurity. Not only do you gain a tool uniquely yours, but you also deepen your understanding of encryption and secure coding practices. Are you ready to take control of your digital security and build a solution that meets your exact needs? What features would you prioritize in your custom password manager?